Hi guys, we're starting a new project today. I am DIYing these lamps. So first you want to tape them to prep them. I did actually clean them first before I started touching them anyway because they were a Facebook market buy. So I'm using the painter's tape to just go around and cover up all of the pieces that I actually don't want to paint. Plus this is electrical, so that's the bulb insert part that you probably don't want to get paint on anyway, as well as taping up the very bottom where the prongs are. Guys, now we're gonna go ahead and go outside. If you're at an apartment complex like me, you probably want to lay down a tarp or something so you don't get paint on the cement and get a fine for it if they find out it was you. So lay down some painting tarp and then just go ahead and spray paint it evenly, working my way from the cords on up. While we're waiting for the spray paint to dry, I'm going to go ahead and prep my lamp shades. I was thinking about going to take off the existing fabric first, but after figuring out that it would expose the wire, I decided to keep it on and just move about this way. So I got this fringe from Amazon. Pink is my favorite color, so I had to. Plus it matches the theme of my room. My spaces vary because of how much of the fringe I had. However, I think approximately an inch spacing between each layer, or inch and a half, should be totally fine. You can most definitely just go ahead and get an extra pack of fringe so you can do it all the way up for the lamp. However, I had some beading that I wanted to apply here, which is why it didn't go all the way up. I used the rest of my rhinestone from a previous project to put on the right at the seam of the last fringe layer, and then at the very top, as you can see here. Cut off the plug and then just left this as a decorative piece, and then went ahead and got some more pendant lights for my room. And this is the finished product.